Hey guys, how's it going? Scooby here, and today I'm going to be doing a hot pepper challenge. I've actually got jalapeno here. This is real. Whew, I'm nervous, but I've got some milk here. Well, not really milk, but it's milk. It just has water stuff because it just got out of the dishwasher. And someone else told me that bread helps it, so I got some bread here. Whew, man, and the reason I'm doing a juicy one instead of a fresh juicy one is because this one actually has juice in it, and it might burn my mouth a whole lot worse. So I got some milk and some bread. Whew, gotta get some music with this. Because if I don't get music, then it's not gonna sound so good. So, I'm not sure how this is gonna work out, but hey, it's gonna help me a bit, and I can't find it. There it is. Whew. I'm scary. So. Oh, by the way, this is kind of war music, but it's a good song. Whew. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's hot. Oh jeez. Milk makes it worse. Oh, that freaking hurt. Disgusting. It's not that disgusting, it's hot. It's really hot. It's really hot though. I don't know why. Why did I do that? You know I had milk and I just took it drinking. Oh crap, no. I thought it was worse. The fact that I just took a drink out of milk, well, that I just like ate a whole jalapeno. Oh my god. Oh, that freaking hot. Oh, dang. That was hot though, man. Jeez. Jeez. That was really hot. The good thing is I got through it. Anyways, oh, that was hot. It really was. My gosh. I'm gonna finish this milk off and this bread. Oh, it's hot. Anyways, that was my idiotic attempt at, you know. But yeah, I think I did pretty good on that. Honestly, I just think that it was bad for me to like do that and just do it anyways. But it was good that I actually took responsibility for what I did. So, I mean, yeah. But I feel good that I took a bite out of it, ate the whole freaking thing, and threw the other way. I mean, oh, it was hot though. Really. I got some up. But I think that the worst thing that I did is probably just like, I don't know, it was, tasting that was like, eating a pepper, yeah, but it was just, I don't know, it was fun, in the same way it was hurtful, and I don't believe that anyone should do what I just did. I mean, yeah, okay, let me break this down for you. Scooby and Shaggy on Scooby-Doo probably eat either ghost peppers or Carolina Reapers. Now, on Zombie Island, they go to this house. If you haven't seen it, spoiler alert, you can exit out of this video right now because I'm just filling details. But anyways, they get to a haunted house that supposedly is haunted. The whole island is haunted by zombies. But they go to this haunted house that has a spirit of a pirate. And before you start correcting me, no, not like those pirates that you see today, but ones that were actually in medieval times, like 50s, 60s, something like that. And they started a pepper plantation. Pepper plantation, which made it even more haunted because But anyways, Simone, the owner of the house, said that this is the hottest peppers in Louisiana go on this island. And that kind of concerned me for when I watched it. I was like, the hottest pepper, well, hold on. So you're telling me there's a pepper hotter than the ghost pepper? Which was true, because I was at school in gym, and while they were walking around the gym, which you guys do every day, in gym, a kid brought a Carolina Reaper to school. I'm not kidding. Okay, he actually had freshly picked from his house Carolina Reaper, fresh, just like the pepper I just ate, fresh, out of his garden. He brought that to school. Now, I'm probably making this sound like he brought a gun to school. Oh my gosh, he brought a gun, a knife, or something like that. No, he didn't bring any of that. He just brought a simple little pepper. And he bet me $100. Me individually. Well, actually, he bet a lot of people $100 to eat that. He dared me to eat it, and he showed me the money. He video recorded the whole thing. Okay, it was like this big. I'm not kidding, this big. So I just chucked that whole thing in my mouth, ripped the stem out, and threw it away. Immediately, I regret my decision. My mouth was on fire. I ran around the gym 15 times. Okay? 15 times. And my mouth was on fire. Okay? It was terrible. I didn't like it, but yeah, it's just, oh my gosh, it was on fire. But I don't think we have any habaneros or anything. I think the only thing we have is bell peppers and jalapeno. Jalapeno I just ate, and that was pretty hot. So yeah, I don't believe anyone should have to do that. Because either way, if you're not immune to hot stuff, you're either one, you're gonna be sorry about that, or two, just act like, oh, it's not that big a deal. It wasn't for me, because I actually knew what I was doing. And the hotness coming back. Yeah. It's just, anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, press that like button, and as always, peace.